2 to the x plus 2 to the y equal to x plus y, and x and y are integers. We want to find all possible values of x and y. Okay. First, if x, for example, let's consider if both of them are greater than equal 0, x and y greater than equal 0, then we know that 2 to the x is greater than equal x. Obviously, we can prove 2 to the 0 is greater than equal 0, 2 to the 1 greater than equal 1. Let me explain for you. 2 to the 0 greater than equal 1. 0, 2 to the 1 is greater than equal 1. 2 squared is greater than equal 2. In each step, you multiply this by 2, but right side you multiply to plus 1. And because left side is a number greater than 1, you add left side to a number greater than 1. Well, and then right side by 1, so always for positive integers, after 0 and non-negative integers, left hand side also we can say is strictly greater than right hand side. So let's do something, let's erase this, and we can say this is strictly greater than this. Now also we can say 2 to the y. So let's write 2 to the x will be greater than x. Similarly, 2 to the y greater than y. And 2 to the x plus 2 to the y greater than x plus y, but they are equal and contradiction. So at least one of them should be negative. So if both of them are negative, let's also check this case. Both of them are negative. When both of them are negative, we know 2 to the x is greater than 0 and less than equal because x is at most negative 1 and it will be less than 1 half. Also for 2 to the y is greater than 0, less than equal 1 half. 2 to the x plus 2 to the y will be less than or equal 1. But we know 2 to the x plus 2 to the y equal to x plus y. And x and y are integers, so x plus y also are integers, but it is between 0 and 1. So the only possible case is 2 to the x plus 2 to the y equal to 1. And we conclude x should be equal to y should be equal to negative 1. But in this case, because both of them should be 1 half and equality holds here. But we know that 2 to the x plus 2 to the y should be x plus y will be negative 2 because x and y are negative 1. And this part is one contradiction. Now, if we consider third case, let's write third case here. If one of them be negative, for example, without loss of generality, x negative and y non-negative number, then 2 to the x is not integer because it will be fraction. 2 to the 5 is integer because y is greater than or equal to 0. So 2 to the x plus 2 to the y is not integer. But so because 2 to the x plus 2 to the y is x plus y then is not integer. But we know that x and y are integer and that's a contradiction. So here we proved this equation doesn't have any answer in integers. And if you have questions, send message to my WhatsApp number. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, like the video.